It's a little bit windy out there. Maybe about 10 to 20 mile per hour winds, gusts up to 30. So I figured take you guys out today on the Mavic 2 and just kind of see how it holds up. The only reason I'm really gonna do that is because some days aren't always the best days to fly, but you gotta learn the limits of your gear, so I think it's worth a shot. We're gonna get out there, show you guys how the Mavic 2 hovers and withstands in the wind. So we just landed here, the mall, Woodbridge, and a beautiful, beautiful spot to be flying at. Couldn't get any better than this. So we're gonna be busting out the Mavic 2 over here, little Hasselblad version. Smart controller as well. Favorite controller, by the way. But first, let me just slap on a Polar Pro. So let me set up the motors. Reminds me a little bit of a pancake. You can see it's struggling in the wind here, but you know, at the same time it's able to perform somewhat fine. I'm just letting it hover out there for you guys so you can see how it does. I've shot real estate for a long time, and it gets scary shooting next to trees and objects and stuff when the wind's like this, so I definitely wouldn't recommend doing any particular types of shoots or even tight video work in spaces you should be flying in. But I'm going to go ahead and do a couple of test pans for you here and show you how this thing holds up against the wind for real. Mavic's a pretty thin drone, so it's not like an Inspire where it's getting slapped around. Let me go ahead and shut this thing. It's more of a flat surface where the wind's going to run over it, and it's not going to be affected by those big side-to-side winds as much as something like an Inspire or a Matrice with a gimbal on it. Though it's unsafe to fly in this type of weather, it is possible, but don't do it unless you have to, like me. Alright, have a good one. Going around just a little bit.